Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install XAMPP 8.2 on Kali Linux 2024. The process is same on all Kali Linux versions. Okay, first open a browser, then go to Apache friends.org. See here, XAMPP is the most popular PHP development environment. It is completely free, easy to install Apache distribution containing MariaDB or MySQL PHP Paul. Okay. See, we have XAMPP for Windows, Linux and Mac. Click on XAMPP for Linux. Wait a moment, download will be started. See here, it is going to download. See, download has been started and its size is 153 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd, downloads, ls. See here, we have the XAMPP 8.2.12 installer. We can't run directly, just if you give like XAMPP, see, permission in it. So we have to run by using sudo .xampp, give the tab and hit enter. Then provide the password of user. See, still we can't run. Okay, so first we have to grant the execute permissions. So chmod 755 for the XAMPP, hit enter. Now run sudo .xampp, give the tab to autofill and hit enter. Click on forward. See here, by default it has selected XAMPP core files. If you want developer files, you have to check the checkbox. I want to keep the both as it is and click on forward. See, XAMPP will be installed on this location, that is /opt lab. Okay, click on forward. See, ready to install, click on forward. See, installation has been started. For me it took more than 5 minutes. So okay, setup has been completed. Keep this checkbox, that is launch XAMPP, and click on finish. Go to manage servers. See, MySQL database is stopped and Apache web server is started. So select MySQL database and click on start. Okay, both MySQL and Apache web servers are started, and if you want to start ProFTPD, you can select and you can click on start. Okay, once all these started, now go to browser. Now open new tab and give the local host. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to XAMPP server. Okay, now go to terminal. Go to install directory, that is cd opt lamp ls. See here, we have these many files. So if you want to create any PHP file, go to htdocs, ls. See here, we have only index.php. Let us create sample PHP file. Sudo vi press I to insert mode, then give the PHP tag. Echo. close it, save the file, hit enter. See, PHP program file name is hello world. Okay, at the end we have to replace this dashboard, or simply open new tab, localhost, then give hello world .php, hit enter. See, we got the same output. Or see, output is in single line. If you want to get output in multiple lines, we have to give the break. Go up, shift A, echo, double quotes, give break, close the, put semicolon, save the file. Now go back, reload. See, we got the output in 2 lines. Okay, if you want to see the PHP admin, you have to click on PHP my admin. If you want to create database, just click on new, then provide the database name, R2 schools, then select the collection settings, then click on create. See, new databases, click on query, then here we have to run the create database XAMPP DB, then click on submit query. It is success, but still it is not showing. Okay, so refresh this page by clicking on refresh, or click on this PHP my admin, click on OK. See, we have the XAMPP DB. Okay, suppose if you stop this Apache web server, click on stop, then go to new tab. If you give localhost, it won't work. See, cannot connect. So Apache web server must be always up and running. Okay, see, it is running. Now reload this page. See, it may take time. Accept risk and continue. See, we are able to connect. Okay, so after this, go to terminal, go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls, remove this XAMPP run file, it is not required anymore. Okay, ls. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure XAMPP 8.2.12 on Kali Linux 2024.3. Okay, for more XAMPP or Kali Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you.